All right, today is Tuesday, the 21st of January, 25, and I need to get some trades on. I was kind of waiting, I guess, for the inauguration stuff to get passed because I don't know. I guess I thought it'd be potentially a big move, which it kind of was. The market's up 0.85% right now, but I've been waiting long enough, so I need to get some positions on. This orange account I normally go long on needs positions. There's nothing there. But I think for once I'm going to do an iron condor. Market's gone up quite a bit in the last like week. And yeah, I don't really want to sell a put spread when the market's up almost 1%. So I just need to get something on there. So I'm going to try an iron condor and then this pink account, which is the Tasty Tradeway account. I need to find something there. So starting off here with SPX, and I'm going to open an iron condor. Come down here to the 58 day. Got a good selections of strikes, 5,800 there. Let's try the expected move first. Not quite as good up here. Got to come up here for a 5-point wide. I'm limited to 5-point wide because, yeah, my account's small. I mean, I'm not limited, but I don't want to do a 10-point wide spread. I guess I could in this orange account. It's got $3,300 in it. But yeah, I'd just rather not. I'd rather stick to the 5-point wide ones. All right, so I guess I'm gonna settle for this. This is at the 14 delta, 5 points wide. And then up here on the put side, it's at the 18 delta, 5 points wide. Total position is $1.25, which that's okay, I guess. Sometimes I try to get more like $1.50, but it's weird. Right now it says the pop is 56%. Usually it's a lot higher than that, but I mean, I don't know. It's been a while since I've done an iron condor, but anyways, I guess I'm going to go with it. I don't want to go for less credit, so I guess I'm just going to roll with it. All right, so $1.25, we'll try that. All right, got filled at $1.20. All right, so I got this iron condor on here for the orange defined risk account, which is a little bit out of the ordinary because, like I said, I usually just play this account to the upside, which apparently I should have been doing this whole last week. I mean, I did it first, but I took a position off, and then I've just been waiting for any kind of down day, which we haven't really had. So once we do have another down day of any significance, I will sell another put spread there just to stick with my go long thesis on it. And yeah, so I need to get one on here in this account, which is the Tasty Trade account. And I think I settled on CLF. And it's slim pickings for this account because if I come here to the watch list, you know, this has high IV rank, which is good. It does have earnings in 34 days, so I got to watch out for that. But in theory, these trades last about 2 to 4 weeks, so that's obviously within 34 days. So in theory, that's going to come off before earnings are an issue. So to hopefully satisfy most of you from my other video about this Tasty Trade account, I'm going to do a strangle, which will be delta neutral, and we will adjust, or I will adjust based on the deltas. So I don't want to do 31 days. It seems a little too short. So going out here to the 59, if I come here to like 13 delta, and then here's a 12 delta. So it's only $31 credit, 32. It's got a 78 pop. The delta is long 1. But that's kind of what I'm stuck with because this next one is 27, and that's way too aggressive. I don't want to go that close. Both of these are outside the expected move, and yeah, I guess that's about it. That's about as delta neutral as I can get. I think Tom and Tony say anything above like a 10 or 12 delta, and they will adjust per side. So I guess we'll roll with that. Let's see, change this account to the Tasty Way. Takes $232 of buying power, which I only have 283. So we'll see how long. I'm guessing if this moves strongly one way or the other, it will cause a margin call, and then I'll probably just put in another $100 or something just to keep this trade rolling. Yeah, guess that's it. I don't have too many options when I have such a low dollar account, because then over here on this watch list, like these are sorted by the last price, right? I mean, all the rest of these are basically meme stocks, you know, Plug, Blank, Beyond, Space, Piton. So it's tough to find like kind of a normal stock down here. We'll see. Anyways, in theory, you can trade these on whatever you want, right? So this is liquid, you know, this is 2 cents wide, 2 cents wide, so pretty liquid. Fits the buying power. It's 14 delta, 12 delta now. It's moved a little bit. So overall delta is 1.48, and here we go. All right, man. I can't get anything. I'm so distracted today. Kids, dogs. We got a new puppy, and it's apparently driving the kids crazy. So anyways, after all that shenanigans, which I'm not going to include in the video because it's just ridiculous. Let's see. I think I got filled at 30 cents here or something for this strangle. Let's see. Yep, 30 cents. So let's see. Do I have the delta in here? Beta weighted delta is 0.04, but I want the regular delta. Let's see. Here we go. I'm long 1 delta. Once that gets to like 10-ish, I'll probably start looking at doing some sort of adjustment. Otherwise, I'm just going to leave it alone unless for some reason the buying power effect increases too much. I only have $47 left in buying power. So hopefully that will satisfy most of the complaints from the previous video where I was one-sided, I was long and not neutral. A couple people said I should be neutral if I'm trading the Tasty Way, where individual positions could be long or short, but the overall profile should be neutral. So I can only do one position. You're just gonna have to live with the fact that this is so small that obviously I'm over leveraged, but at least it is delta neutral. I think that's probably it, especially because I'm very distracted today, apparently. So at least I have a position on in every account now. And oh yeah, CLF, the spread was pretty tight. I had to give up 2 cents, I think, on entry, so that's why I'm down $2. So yeah, it's liquid, seemingly liquid, and fits all the other criteria. But yeah, that's about it. The Sweet Bobby Hedge is moving along. I mean, this needs to go quite a ways before it's gonna get closed out, but it's working. Besides that, like I said, for SPX, I'm just going to wait for a down day, and I will open up another long, well, not long put spread. I'll be long the market with a short put spread on that. So, all right. Thanks for tuning in. I think that's it, and I will see you later.